it's snowing. We got the SHO out. Got the 360 cam. I'm gonna be using my 360 X5. Yeah, so this might be a short video, but I'm gonna do this parking lot and then I'm gonna hit up another parking lot, and then that's it, because I don't know how well this post is gonna stay up during this cold, and it's freezing. So yeah, it's gonna be a little video, but hope you guys like it.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
I hope you guys liked that little clip. I just wanted to test out my 360 cam to see how good it does. But the snow is very light. Like, I don't know how light you can see that is. Like, even over there. So it was kind of hard for me to drift. Over there, it was kind of more heavier snow over there. But trust me, when there's heavier snow, I'm going to be ripping this thing. So I tried my best. Hopefully it looked cool. I'm going to go back and rewatch the footage. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked this short little video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow Instagram. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.